Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on triangle numbers. Triangle numbers. Triangle numbers are those numbers that can be represented by a diagram which is in the shape of a triangle. Consider the following diagrams. So 1, that's the first triangle number. It's just the number 1. The second triangle number is 3, which is 1 plus another 2. And you can see the triangular shape. The next triangle number is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which gives us 6. And the triangular shape is evident. The next triangle number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which gives us 10. And the next triangle number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which gives us 15. It is easy to see why they are referred to as triangle numbers. From a numerical point of view, the triangle numbers can be represented as follows. The first triangle number is 1. The second one is 1 plus 2. The third one is 1 plus 2 plus 3. The fourth one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. The fifth one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and so on. Triangle numbers in real life. There are examples in real life where triangle numbers are very prominent. 10-pin bowling is so called because there are 10 pins. They form a triangular shape. So this is a very popular sport around the world, and you can see why 10 is a triangle number. In snooker, there are 15 red balls in a rack. This is also a very, very popular game around the world. And when you put the red balls in a rack, there are 15 of them in the form of a triangle. Some pool games have 10 balls in a rack. And here's a perfect example here. Example 1. What is the sum of the first 3 triangle numbers? The solution: 1 plus 3 plus 6 gives you 10. So that's the first triangle number, the second one, the third one, and their sum is 10. What is the 10th triangle number? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, etc., right up to plus 10. When you add those up, you get 55. What is the sum of the first 4 triangle numbers? Now, the sum of the first 4 triangle numbers is 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10. And that gives you 20. So they're the first 4 triangle numbers, and their sum gives you 20. Write an expression for the 6th triangle number. All you do is add the first numbers from 1 to 6. When you add those together, the 6th triangle number is 21. So that gives you a good idea of what triangle numbers are and how they are formed.